All right, guys, we got the firewall in. That's right, yeah. The other vato loco left, you know what I'm saying? Pinche maricon. Nah, I'm just kidding, guys. We should be talking like that, you know? People be like, hey, man, come on. I'm not even gonna say how easy this was. It was a piece of cake, right?
Sure.
Really? This is like probably a 4-guy job, easy. So you guys missed it. So what we did here, we used these suckers right here. Okay, this actually helped us out. So what we did, we tied this up right here. Good thing I'm getting a windshield and new glue. I tied it up right there, and then I tied it to the lift right there. So that's how I was able to pull both sides apart to get this in, because there's no way we could get this in. So we strapped it right there to that, and then same thing on the other side, and then we pulled it. We had to pull probably like maybe 1.5 to 2 inches on each side, so 4 inches altogether. There's no way you can get it in. Now, the other problem we had, now look how beautiful it looks underneath there, guys. I mean, I just want to show you this, because I have not seen anybody put a firewall in their car and look this good. I mean, I'm talking about, look at the metal. Nothing's ripped. It's all lined up. Everything matches. Well, of course, I haven't even welded it. That's why there's gaps and stuff, you know? See that? It's all folded down. Look at that. All the metal's right there. It matches there, it matches there. That's all we're gonna have to tie down. So it looks like we are about a 1/2 inch. What was it? About a 1/2 inch spread apart, of course, because I pulled on it. So we're gonna go ahead. We have already measurements, and then this piece right here. See that line right there? See that? This little line right here. This gotta go in order with that one. Also, you can tell the hole. See that? So I'm gonna go to the other side and check it out. Man, it got nice in here now. Same thing over here. As you can tell, see that hole right there? That hole needs to line up with that. So pretty much this little lip right here needs to match up with that. So we need to pull this back. We need to pull it back and then weld it. And then we're gonna have to squeeze it. We're gonna have to squeeze this. So what we're going to do here, we're going to oh yeah, this broke too. No, you don't want me nothing, man. You did more than anybody else, like, you know. That's all good. It just, you know, we just kind of keep going like that. Stuff happens. I'll let you hold this right here,
go ahead.
and I'm gonna use the.
What happened?
I'm just gonna do a live video. Maybe you can do both of them. You just hold the phones.
For sure.
You just hold the phones. I'll just actually, I'll do.
You sure? I mean, I can explain to them too. You do your thing.
I'll explain it real quick and then I'll let you hold it.
For sure.
All right, vatos locos. I cannot even explain to tell you how easy it is to put this firewall in. I mean, definitely a piece of cake. You know, I got my boy here to give me a hand. And let me tell you, oh my goodness, this is no joke. This is a minimum 3 guys to 4 guys. Easy. Minimum 3 guys to 4 guys for this job. And I never seen any firewall installed on any of the videos. Nobody has shown me all the folded metals being put together the way it was taken off. So if you guys are watching this, I mean, you kind of for granted, because I have not seen it.
No.
Nobody has shown me a video step by step how to take it off and how to put it back in. But I'm going to show you that all the pieces that's being cut out, drilled out, they're almost there, ready to be lined up and welded back up. So I'm going to start with this side right here. Let me just tell you, this was not easy to put on. Definitely not easy. In order to even get this in, this firewall, you know what we had to do? There was 3 of us who couldn't do it. So what we did, as you can tell, I got this tie wrap up in here, and I tie it up to the lift right here. and I cranked it down, and I was able to pry about 2 inches on each side to be able to stick the firewall in. The problem that we had here with the firewall, I couldn't get the bottom of it to go in. Now, if you've never seen a firewall installed in, I'm going to show you how everything lines up and how everything looks like I just took it out. See all this metal? Alrighty, well, we got some of the walls done. As you can tell, welded this up, that. Same thing over here. I welded that up. Now what we're going to do, we're going to weld underneath here. So as you can tell how the firewall matches nice with the frame. See that? No gaps. See that? It's all flush. See that? Same thing over here. The frame matches nice. Once we tack this in place, we can remove this right here. So yeah, buddy. Did I record the GoPro, like the stuff behind? Mm-hmm. I did, right?
Yes.
Like the inside and stuff?
Yeah, you did.
I don't want to burn the wraps, so I'm probably
Right, so be careful in there.
right there. And I might even just kind of build this wall, you know? Oh man, this guy's got it way too bright.
Is it?
Oh yeah, he's gonna burn his eyes. Wow, dude.
That's what I thought too. When yeah.
No, dude. No, dude, this was gonna burn his eyes.
That's what I felt too
No,
when I was
dude.
wearing that thing, dude.
No, dude, it's no good. Better check his battery or something on it. I mean, mine is cheap too, but dude,
Yeah.
no way.
Alright, back in
My eyes
business.
hurt already. Better tell that for. All that glue and stuff, man.
I know, dude. It's getting on fire. Huh? Boy, how's that looking like?
Good. I just want
Yeah.
to get a good one on this and then one the other way. Of course, it's all these.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let me go tap that side so that way you can check the side, yeah.
Let me see. I'm gonna go on that side.
I'm gonna gonna make that thing a lot stronger, trust me. But this is just to hold it in place, you know?
Right, because
If I let the strap go, you know?
yeah, that's looking pretty good, eh? Yeah, you think so?
It's kind of fine right now. I mean,
yeah.
It's on the top area, you know?
Right.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Go underneath, you know?
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's strap. Let's see.
Here, let me hold it.
You feel like you see that? Not really, huh?
I don't think so. Dude, it's in there.
Fire.
We got a fire?
Good. All right, guys. So just to pretty much show you, got the firewall in. Got my boy Raymond. Whoop whoop. Seki G. I'm gonna drop his Instagram down below so you can check out his build. He's gonna do a case up, right?
Case swap soon.
Yeah.
Very soon.
Yeah. So he came over here, check out some stuff. He's gonna go order some of these right here from these towers. He's gonna redo his engine bay. Yeah. So got the firewall in. Got some of it all welded up. As you can tell right there, got it welded up in there. Got it all welded up, so all these pieces all intact. As I remember, I told you guys I'm gonna weld this whole crack in. Before you just spot welds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 3 here and then 3 there. No, I'm welding the spot welds and that. Same thing over here. See that? Weld it all the way around, and then I'm going to weld it. As you can tell, how nice and flush it matches right there. You can tell right there.
A thing of beauty.
That right there. I'm gonna show you guys on the inside as well. So you can just all weld it up. Before it was just few tacks, one here, one here, one here. That's it. But no, I welded here, welded here, I welded here. If I ever have to remove this nut or something, I'll be screwed because I can never remove this. I'll probably just have to grind it down literally. But anyways, I haven't welded this piece on yet. There's still like time, but as you can tell, it's all there. This is the piece that I actually had to remove, you know. So yeah, buddy.